Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be blowing out and trimming my TWA for the very first time since I did the big chop. I'm so excited because finally I'm able to put my hair in ponytails and I'm able to section it off. Girl, it saves so much time. I decondition my hair like this. I wash my hair like this. I literally wash it in the sections and put it right back because it just makes life so much easier. So I'm excited to be reviewing the Revlon Style Curl and Volumize Hot Air Kit. I've seen a few comments on this, specifically on Instagram. I was originally looking for the flat panel, the one that actually like looks like a brush. But I know that once my hair gets longer, I'm gonna want to be able to style it and to blow it out and comb it. You know what I mean, like they do at the salons. So I decided to go with this shape. So let's start off looking at this blow dryer, right? It's so small compared to other blow dryers. I love that I'm able to hold it. And like, I feel like when I start to actually blow dry my hair, like I can already tell that it's gonna be like a lot easier than other blow dryers, especially with this nozzle. So the cool thing is that these nozzles are interchangeable. So this one's gonna be to like, blow it straight, I guess. And then you have this other size, which is a bit smaller, and it just literally just goes on like that. And it's the bristles are kind of hard. So I'm a little concerned about that because I don't want to break my hair. And it feels really, really hard. So hopefully it doesn't do any damage. And then it also comes with a larger nozzle that also pops into place. And again, the bristles are really hard on this too. So I'm just hoping that I have hair at the end of this video. I'm also going to be using heat protectant, of course. I'm going with the L'Oreal Blow Dry It Quick Dry Primer Spray. I'm not a big fan of heat protectant, mostly because I don't really put heat in my hair, and then when I do put it in my hair, sometimes it gets sticky and stiff, and I don't really like that, but I know I need it. So I'm really gonna be light-handed with the heat protectant spray. I also have my oil of choice. Now, this is all a facade, y'all. This is not the oil that's in here. Although I did use this oil, the Castor oil, and I love that it's in the spray bottle. I actually refill this bottle with a few different oils. So feel free to combine things and use it however you want. But an oil is an oil, and it's really gonna help protect the hair from breakage. And then I have my leave-in conditioner that's gonna add moisture to my hair as I blow it out. So I'm really excited. Let's get started. A little bit dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. As you guys know, I am not afraid of water and moisture in my hair. I am pretty heavy-handed with water. So I have that in. I'm gonna be doing the lock method, which is liquid, oil, and cream, but flip the last two letters. So I'm gonna be doing liquid, cream, and then oil, because a lot of the leave-in conditioners out here, especially for natural hair, are water-based. So I wanna put, after I spray my hair, I wanna put a water-based leave-in conditioner and then seal it in with an oil. Vice versa doesn't really work for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put a little bit in there. And nicely coat. So the back section, I'm gonna turn around for y'all. The back section of my hair is pretty big, this little section. So I'm gonna cut that into two to make it easier to work with when I start to blow dry. But let me just get all of this product in first and I will show you. Okay, so I have this back section of my hair cut into two little sections so that it's more manageable when I go in to blow dry it. I'm going to now spray just a tad bit of, oh, my hand's all, okay, just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, just that much. Ooh, okay. This heat protectant feels good. It's really silky. It feels kind of oily. Like normally it doesn't feel like that. Normally it feels really sticky, but it just kind of like melted in. Is it giving my, is that shine? I don't know if that's coming from this or the oil, but this feels really good. This is nice. This is good. Okay. Okay, so yes, this is gonna get your roots. Like, I can already feel how much my roots have straightened up a little bit. Like, and I haven't really gotten in there yet. So I'm really, so far so good. I like how easy it is to, to like blow out. Continue doing this. Look at this. Wow, it's like I haven't even switched to the brush yet, but just this nozzle alone is really straightening out my roots. Girl, I got 4C hair, so that is doing something, okay? Sometimes it feels like I don't really need that much heat to get it straight, which is really, really nice because typically when I blow out my hair, it's smoke everywhere. It's like, I don't know if you've ever been to like the Dominican salon and when you get a doobie, it's like you're surrounded by your hair steaming up and smelling burnt. But with this, I don't really feel like my hair is too hot to touch. As you saw, I was raking through my hair as I blew it out. And it just really is working, which I'm really impressed.
So now I'm going to try this nozzle. Now this is the bigger one compared to this. I don't know, should I go with the small one first? I think I will start with the big one because, like I said, the bristles are so hard. I just want to get a feel for what it's going to be like before I go in with the little one. Okay. I don't know, maybe I got to keep using it, but I feel like when I brush my hair, I need to be able to, like, grip this part of the brush to really get it to rake through my hair. And I feel like I can't really do that. I feel like the brush will just slide over my hair, like, like this. Well, maybe I can do that. Like, I have to, like, turn it. But it's not really, I don't know, it's not really doing much for me. Maybe I should section it off more. So I section off the section just to see if this larger one would get a better grip. Because you can't actually, like, grip it here because it's too hot to, like, really, do the thing. You know what I mean? Do the damn thing. You can't do that because it's hot. So you gotta hold it here, which makes me feel like I don't have enough control over what I want to do with this brush. But now that I have the section into a smaller section, let me see if it'll work a little better. Worked a little bit better. I was able to get a better grip. As you saw, like it kind of, if you like stick the brush into your hair and then roll it, you get a better blowout. I mean, typically you want to do it the opposite way because you want that bump, right? But just for blowout purposes, I'm not really straightening out my hair. So yeah, I think once you get the formula of how to use this bigger one, which is to grip it and then turn like that, that's really gonna help to get that hair straight. So that's the secret. Oh, it's starting to get hot. Starting to get hot. Here. So I'm gonna try the smaller one now. I feel like the smaller one is probably gonna be my best friend, but let's see. Isn't much different than the big one, other than the fact that it's smaller. But because my hair is so much short, it's really short. The smaller one will work better for the TWA. So, but overall, I am liking my results. I'm not really putting in that much effort. I feel like with other blow dryers, since you have to brush and blow dry, it's a lot harder, like your arms. But I'm not really experiencing that with this one. So, so far I really like it. I do wish the grip on this was a little better though, because I have, leave-in conditioner, oil, all kinds of stuff on my hands right now, and to get it to this next level is really difficult, so you literally have to use your nails. And I feel like that could be inconvenience. That could inconvenience someone if you're trying to really do a quick thing. But we all know with 4C here, ain't no such thing as a quick thing when it comes to this kind of hair. You have to give it time, you have to be patient. So I guess that doesn't matter, but for other people who don't have this kind of hair, it might be beneficial to have more grip here. Is that something that all blow dryers have, struggle with, the grip? If you find that you have an issue with grip no matter what the blow dryer is, let me know in a comment below, and we can talk it out, because maybe we can all message Revlon and get them to change this. So now to trim my ends, I am going to section off the section. I'm going to try and do even amounts throughout, so that I'm not chopping one side smaller than the other. So I'm going to probably section it off this much in every section. Okay, so we don't want to cut off our hard-earned hair, right? Because a girl just was able to put it in ponytail. I don't want to go back. So I'm not going to chop off too much. I literally just want to get the split ends. And if I come a little closer, you can see, or maybe just here, you can see where the ends are kind of ratty right here. This is better, right? So I'm literally just going to take off about that much.
And that's that. This section is clipped. Get rid of some of those split ends. It's a lot more even, if you can see here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna braid or twist this little section here. Get that out the way.
It's really nice. It's not even, but I really wasn't going for like even. I just wanted my ends clipped, and I know that once my hair grows out more, because it's still really short, and I don't wear it blown out often, so I don't really worry about how even it is. I just know that when I clip my ends, it really helps me retain length, so my hair can get longer and I can actually get it shaped, which I'm really excited about, and hopefully that works out how I hope it will, and my hair grows fast. This is about how much hair I trimmed off. So not much. Just wanted to free my hair of the dead ends. It's my first time clipping my ends since I went natural. Well, I've always been natural, but since I did the big chop again. So I'm really pleased with the results. Now, onto this blow dryer. So I would say out of this whole process, for me the star of this entire process was the heat protectant spray. Okay? This bad boy really surprised me. Like I was not expecting to get it was like oil almost. It just absorbed into my hair. It was super soft. I really like this. I definitely will purchase this again. When it comes to the blow dryer, I actually use this nozzle a lot more than I did the brushes, and I wasn't expecting that. This just really stretches out the roots. You feel me? It just kind of just lengthens it a lot, and it's so easy. You literally just rub it, and it starts to stretch out. So I found myself using this a lot, which I wasn't expecting to. And then I also used the larger one. Not as much. I used the larger one for the ends because I felt like my ends weren't smoothing out well enough. So after I basically got it stretched out with this, I went in and did the twirling thing and got the ends in order for me to clip them. So the big one was definitely a friend of mine. I wasn't really feeling the smaller one, and I don't know why. I think it's because I didn't really get the grip that I needed on my hair. I just kind of it just kind of fell. You know, it didn't really as I'm turning it, it didn't really grab it how this one was. So I didn't really use the smaller one, which is surprising, because I thought I'd be using the smaller one versus the bigger one because my hair isn't that long. But actually, the big one came in handy. So yay for that. And I'm just overall pleased with how this blow dryer works. I love the fact that I can literally reach the back of my hair. You know what I mean? I can do all kinds of styles with it and it be good.
I really hope you guys liked this video. And if you did like this video, show me by hitting the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below so we can have a chit chat. I hope you guys enjoy this blow dryer just as much as I did and have a great time using it. Till next time, bye.